To another day, another hike.
Looks like a perfect weather for a hike, no? We are doing Baxter Falls.
Baxter Falls in Maleny.
Yeah, close to Maleny. We were planning to do another hike, but it was overcrowded. Such a beautiful weather today. Smells amazing.
Feels like, I don't know, like very mysterious.
Mysterious, yeah, that's the word.
Mysterious.
How is the walk in Sunshine Coast Hinterland?
I like it. This one is interesting.
It's different to those
Yeah.
ones around Gold Coast.
No. Well, it's less.
Rainforest is pretty similar, right?
Yeah, rainforest is pretty similar to where we live.
This walk is not like extremely popular,
Yeah.
at least not from where we started. I think you can get to Baxter Falls from two different points.
Mm,
One is that car park where we came first, which was overcrowded,
yeah.
and another one is this
We
one.
just parked on the road and started walking.
Yes,
So I guess not many people do this one.
I like it.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, it's nice. Pretty slippery. Be careful.
So good. And we are the only ones here.
And we are the only ones.
That was a good decision not to go with the crowd.
Yeah, definitely.
I'm having a sleep.
Are you? How's the water? Huh? Fresh. Any fish?
It also touched my leg, but I think it's just the grass. This one tree is all around this other tree.
That's our favorite part of the hike. Walk up for 2 hours.
No, we'll do it quicker.
2 kilometers.
Did you enjoy the view?
Yes.
Yes, this view was really nice. Now we just need to conquer all these little stairs from the base of the waterfall. Looks really nice. Welcome back to real life.
Great walks.
It was good, no?
Yeah.
It was a little workout going up, going back.
Mm-hmm.
But going down was like super easy. I think we did it maybe like 40 minutes down, 40 minutes back.
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah, something around that.
And then around 40 minutes swimming.
Mm. It says here that we are great walkers. Is it true?
Yes.
Our car is still there. It's still here. And look, no rain anymore. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. If you want to do this walk, you kinda need, there is no provided parking. So we just park on the road.
So we are in Montville now. Still raining a little bit.
Yeah.
We'll show you what's around here. Yeah, looks very old school. What's happening here?
But this place looks like Austria or Germany.
That's delicious. This is probably
Very
the...
hungry.
Yes.
After walking in the rain.
Yeah, we have a chicken panoramic and a soup of the day coming.
My soup looks amazing.
It's pumpkin, I think. And chicken
Your
panoramic.
parmy looks good too. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. So this is called Montville Cafe Bar Grill.
What's popping your thing?
That's really nice.
Really nice. Really, really nice.
Water view. Turned by water only. We have arrived to our cute little house for tonight. There is a bed, a bathroom, and this living room. But outside is really nice. So pretty. Nice. So peaceful. Just the birds around. It's like I don't know English name. I go.
Mm-hmm.
And who is the winner? Yellow bees.
How are you, baby?
Good, enjoying the fire.
Are you? This is one beautiful fire. Where are we?
Somewhere in the Sunshine Coast Hinterland,
Somewhere in the Sunshine Coast Hinterland.
but I'm not sure where exactly.
Oh, we know it's beautiful. It's a little fire, and that's a little house. I saw a frog. That's why I have this, because I'm not a fan of
It's
frogs.
still there actually. No,
Really?
it just jumped away.
Where?
It's somewhere under the table. Here.
Oh. I'm not a big fan of frogs, but I'll try to show you. This is a really big one.
Yeah, it's cute.
Is what?
Cute.
Cute.
Yes, he's just hunting.
Hunting what?
It looked very real this morning. I thought it was a spider. Oh. Our second day in Sunshine Coast Hinterland. We arrived to this lake. There is this walking track that we are doing just around the lake. Looks so lush and green. Yesterday was raining, so it feels very fresh this morning.
So this is snake skin. I don't know which one it is. It's no horses. So you guys don't bring your horses here.
Just snakes.
So this is the Baroon Lake. This is like the designated swimming area. How's the water?
Amazing. It's like the warmest water we had in Australia.
Oh really?
Really warm.
Mm. So this is the Maleny cheese factory and cafe. We just had some cheese baguettes and we bought ourselves yogurt,
Some locally made
mango and macadamia conserve,
and some cheeses.
and some cheeses. I hope I get to try any of this.
What? I hope I get to try. It was good.
Very cute place. Maleny.
We are doing the little walk to Wild Horse Lookout at the Glasshouse Mountains. So we will see all the mountains from there. The view should be nice. Yeah, but there is no vehicle access and you need to park like
At the bottom.
at the bottom, yeah, and then do this.
Just 700 meters walk.
Yeah, but
Well,
it's
it's pretty
quite
steep.
steep. And here is the observation deck.